Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Windows laptop. And you will not need to install anything, as all required software which is needed is already on your Windows laptop. And to take a screenshot on your Windows, all you need to do is, if you have a search bar here as a taskbar at the very bottom, you can search in there snipping tool, or click on your start icon and search here snipping tool. Just click on it, click on new, and you can take screenshot of area wherever you want. For example, if I would want to start taking screenshot from here, I can select whatever area I want by holding my mouse down and selecting what screenshot I want to take. Once I have selected the area which I want, I let my mouse cursor, then I reopen my snipping tool. As you can see, it is always for me pinned here on my taskbar at the very bottom. To save this screenshot, here on the right hand side you will see this folder save icon. Just click on it and you can select where you want to save this screenshot. If I would want to save it in downloads, I click on downloads and click on save. And to see my screenshot, I open any folder, go to downloads, and here you go guys, this screenshot has been taken and saved to my PC. So yes guys, this is how you can take a screenshot on Windows laptop. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.